the LG U20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G stylus for Verizon Wireless. So this is available for Verizon postpaid service. So if you guys are ever going to get a mid-range trim with the stylus pen, the Moto G stylus is going to look at here. This is a big ass one. So here it is. So the Moto G stylus is available at Verizon. Like I said, it's available in graphite and graphene blue. I'm guessing that's how you say it. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's a win. The Moto G stylus is $12.49 a month for 24 months, or $299.99 for the retail price on it. So not too bad for the video on smartphone, pretty nice phone. So yeah, this is what the phone looks like, very nice phone. If you guys know what the Moto G Power looks like, it's basically the same phone. So yeah. I do like the wallpaper, they have very nice wallpaper. So the power and volume keys are right on the right side of the phone. This is the back of the Moto G stylus, and you do have 4 cameras. Camera 5, your Motorola logo. This is your fingerprint sensor. Verizon Wireless. Like I said, it's available in the blue color. I'm not a fan of it. If this one was available in black, you know, it would look nicer in my personal opinion. So this is the camera right here. Do have 4 cameras right here in the back, so pretty cool. This is the left side of the phone, and you have your micro SD and SIM card tray there on the left side of the phone. And of course, on the right side of the phone is your power and volume keys. So the Moto G stylus has 17.7 days of standby time for the average usage time, a 48 megapixel main camera on the rear, 2.9 inches in width, 6.24 inches in height and bearing. Alright, so it says here, meet the Moto G stylus outfitted with an AI power 48 megapixel triple camera system. You easily can shoot and share all your special moments. And an ultra wide action video camera lets you capture thrilling action videos, and with night vision you can snap sharper, brighter photos in low light conditions. Get creative or add a personal touch to your photos. Jot down a quick note or sketch out your latest work of art with the integrated stylus. View all of your favorite photos, babies, and more on the large 6.4-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus display. The long-lasting battery gives you up to 2 days of battery life, so you can view more and do more without worry. And those who want a true home theater experience, the Moto G stylus is equipped with those stereo speakers tuned by Baby. Enjoy more of what you love with the Moto G stylus and Verizon, America's most over-the-road network. So, express yourself like never before. Take creativity to a whole new level with the integrated stylus, perfect for note taking, highlighting, copying, and pasting text and more with pinpoint precision and control. It works with the growing family. It works with a growing family of apps, and when you take out the stylus, All of your favorite apps automatically appear for quick, easy access. And with the seamless integration, with a new app, you can even jot down a quick note without unlocking the front. So you can take notes on the screen as well, so that is pretty cool. Triple camera system. This best-in-class 48 megapixel triple camera system lets you capture all of your memories from any angle, anytime. This AI-powered camera features night vision mode for clear, accurate shots in low-light situations, and a dedicated action video camera lets you record landscape mode to get up to 4 times more in-depth shot. Get up to 5 times closer to your subject with macro vision for incredible close-ups, and with laser autofocus you'll never miss another moment. Battery life for days. The 4,000 mAh battery will last up to 2 days listening to charge, so you can do more, play more, and share more, all without worry. Stream music for up to 143 hours, or binge watch the latest shows with up to 19 hours of battery life, and with up to 22 days of standby time. You know you'll always have battery when you need it. Entertainment on the go. With the large 6.4-inch Max Vision Full HD plus display view, camera yourself and all of your favorite content. Max Vision provides ultra wide viewing with a 19:9 aspect ratio, so you can see every detail and shape and vivid clarity. Surround sound. Who says you can't have surround sound quality in the palm of your hand? The Moto G stylus is outfitted with dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby. The crystal clear dialogue that's up to 50% louder. Turn up that hit movie, epic game, or favorite song and get the same high quality audio usually reserved for your living room. Power-packed performance. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor, you can expect ultra-fast speeds for all your favorite apps, games, streaming, and more. And with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, you'll have room for all the things you love. So, pretty cool. So the Moto G stylus is a dual device, so you can use it in over 200 cameras depending on what plan you have. 17.7 days of standby time. Usage time is 40 hours here versus 50 hours on the features section, which is interesting. A 48 megapixel rear facing camera, 16 megapixel front facing camera, 2.9 inches in width, 6.7 ounces in weight, 6.24 inches in height. The screen size is 6.4 inches. Max Vision display, IPS Full HD plus at 2300 by 1080, 399 ppi. Aspect ratio 19.17 by 9, according to this. 4,000 mAh battery, Android 10, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and up to 5 GB of micro SD card expansion. There's a server rating Xamarin network Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. You also have HD voice on board, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. There's also LTE Advanced too, with 50% faster peak speeds in more than 450 cities, from coast to coast. If you guys need help with your Moto G stylus, Verizon can help you out with that. So it says that Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's a great tool there. And what you guys get in the Moto G stylus box is, of course, the Moto G stylus itself, the charger, the cable, guides, and some tool. And that's pretty much it there for the box, so nothing special. So, there you guys have it. The Moto G stylus is now add Verizon Wireless on the postpaid service. I'm sure that it will make its way to Verizon prepaid soon. So, yeah, this is really cool. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Motorola phone with their stylus pen, the Moto G stylus is the one for you. The Moto G stylus is not an S Pen, so don't get it twisted. This is a mid-range smartphone. If you guys want the S Pen, you guys will have to pay over $1,000 to get a Galaxy Note. But this is not a flagship. This is like a high-end mid-range smartphone. You did get a stylus pen, like I said, but the features are limited on this stylus pen here. And like I said, this is no S Pen, so don't even get it. Don't even compare it to the S Pen. Compare the stylus pen to the Stylus 5. Compared to that. So yeah, there you guys have it. Moto G stylus now available at Verizon for $12.49 a month for 24 months, or $299.99 full retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me all that, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.